Alright, so you want to make beats, but are you like this guy? He spends endless amounts of time trying to create those trunk-rattling beats hip-hop is known for. Problem is, only thing his beats end up rattling are nerves. This dude spends hours in FL Studio, making a classic. But it all turns tragic when he shows off his beats to his friends and nobody seems impressed. Sound familiar? Yeah. Worst thing is, he tries to find out some way he can learn to make professional beats quickly, but he has no luck. Any information he finds is either outdated or just garbage. He's sick of people telling him, man, it's just something that takes years to learn. But what if there was a way this young producer could learn to make some awesome hip-hop beats quickly? He's ready to learn to make the type of music that has people jumping on couches in the club, nodding along with the beat wherever they are. But how can he do that without spending thousands of dollars on equipment that takes years to learn? Well, now he can. And you can too. Introducing Beat Generals. With Beat Generals, you have access to detailed, high-quality FL Studio video tutorials. On top of that, you're getting professional, studio-quality drum sounds that make your beats come to life. That's not all, though. The videos are categorized based on experience with beginner, intermediate, and advanced sections. From the absolute basics all the way up to creating awesome beats from scratch, plus everything in between. So no matter your experience level, you can and will make it happen. With Beat Generals, you can learn at your own pace while keeping current with the newest styles and techniques, all in just one place. And to top it all off, Beat Generals keeps it fresh. New videos are guaranteed each and every month, so there's always more to learn to keep your beats getting better and always sounding new and up to date. Beat Generals. Stop wasting time, start making beats.